Hey guys, so it is currently September 25th, 2017. So I'm so excited. Y'all don't even know why I'm so excited. My cat, this is gonna be short, but my cat right there had her kittens yesterday. So, my brother right there and my cousin, we're all trying to look at the kittens, and we finally found them.
Yeah, one looks like boots.
Yeah, one looks like the cow. Over there, they're fighting. The one that has like orange. And then this one like that. And those, they are adorable.
Look.
I know there's a cricket. Cricket, come on, Cricket, you're ruining my show. Cricket.
I said quick. I said
Cricket. Cricket.
quick.
Whoa. Cricket. 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 Ew.
Cricket. No, Mom.
So guys, yeah.
Just copy me quick.
Bye. So I'll show you later. So they're right there. You can see them. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you tomorrow or later for more. Bye guys, love y'all, and kitty out.